Hey guys, what's up? It's Trigger here. Quick unboxing of this precision screwdriver that I bought from Banggood. It was only a little bit more than $38 delivered Australian, so it's quite the bargain. I think they recommend retail. Well, what they normally sell at is $62. Australian delivered, so this is a pretty good deal. So let's check out what we've got in the box. This is a screw pad. We'll get all the boxes out first. It's quite neatly packaged. I'm a case. I'm a dual power screwdriver. I'm a bit screw with X1. I'm a base, and I'm a toolbox. We'll get all these out. Oh, look, there's even more underneath here. I'm a bit screw with X3. That's that X1. I'm a bit screw with X2. And the accessories, or base, and the toolbox. And in the bottom here we have the user manual. So we sit that there, sit these over out of the way. We'll start with the case just because it's the biggest item. There's probably no correct way to unbox all of this stuff, but yeah, this is, whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. So the reason that flicked open is there's magnets there. That's pretty clever. We'll go screwdriver now, hey. Alright, we'll just chuck all these things to the side. There we go. Let's see if it has some charge to begin with. Well, yeah. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's forward, that's back. There's this little bit of, it's just a bit of packaging in there. Oh, that's not good. Well, so that came off, but it just sticks back in. I think maybe it just wasn't pushed in enough to begin with. There's a charge port on the back here. There. Anyway, we'll see that to the side. The base. Wasn't too impressed with the button coming loose there. That's really not great. But anyway, I'm sure it won't cause me too many issues moving forward. This is a really heavy base. This is like almost solid metal. That's all it is like solid bit of metal with a bit of plastic on the bottom. Quite nicely milled. I guess that sits like that. Yeah. Wowie. Interesting. Alright. What's in the toolbox? Sorry if this is all out of focus. Just kind of playing with this new phone camera. And it probably struggles to focus. Oh, it's not too bad. There's a few little blemishes in the quality here, like that looks a bit shit. But anyway, all it is a micro USB charge cable. Doesn't need to be amazing. What else is here? That's a little suction cap thing, a little jar with screws, random screws. God knows what those screws are actually for. What's this? This is a magnetizing, demagnetizing tool. Will that focus? Yeah. So magnetize on one end, demagnetize on the other. That's pretty cool that they include that. Little screen tool there. Suction cap tool. Bit of cardboard. Alright. The screw pad. So this presumably is magnetized, might be magnetized. So it's a little pad to do your work on. So let's see if it's magnetized. I think it is, yeah. See there? Kind of cool. I really have no idea what all these spare screws are for. But anyway. Yep, that's cool. So we'll open these in order. This is the X1. Screw bit, screw. Wow, there's 3 of these. Okay. So I don't know how the carry case is going to actually hold up to 3, but you can see here. Alright, so I'll hold it up the right way. X1, so it's got the pH quadruple O, pH triple O, pH double O, pH O, pH 1, pH 2, SL10, SL15, SL20, SL25, 30, 35, 40, H 0.7, 0.9, 1.3, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, and 3.0. Quite a few. So that doesn't sit up too easily that way. So the X2s, let's open this up. It's quite a bit for $38, to be honest. Hopefully it works well. So this is the X2 kit. It's got the H40, T2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, and 20. And those look to be security style with the little dots in the middle. So holes in the middle. P256, Y.6, 1, 2.0, 2.5, and 3.0. We will open these in a second. Well, I'll open at least one just to see how well those bits come out of the their corresponding box or packaging case. And what do we have in the X3? Got SO 1, 2, 2.0, 2.3, 2.5, 3s for the triangle bits, U2.0, U2.6, U3.0, circle. I don't know what the circle would be for, but yeah, 0.8 circle. W1.5, PHO, PH2, SL2, and H2.0. Yeah, so I think that's about it for all the packaging. Packaging on the left there, items on the right. It's just, it says here to open from this end. All right. Let's see what happens when we open from this end. Okay. So you open and you pull up. Doesn't look like they fall out too easily. That's cool. And you can easily pull out these. This is like little rubberized sort of slots, so they slide in, slide out quite easily. Yeah, okay. So we'll just grab one of those. See how easily it sticks in the actual screwdriver. It's a bit of a magnetic pull. Clips in. Yeah, it is magnetic. And it clips in. Doesn't fall out. I don't think it's speed adjustable. It's either all in reverse or all in forward. It's kind of cool. So you can magnetize here, you can demagnetize there. Pretty cool. What else can we say about it? It's got WOWSTICK precision screwdriver dual power mix written here. That's about all that is actually written on it itself. Let's see if we can get this to come out. Yeah, so if you push down on one end and pull on the other, this does come out quite easily. But that said, I don't think it would come out unless you intentionally pulled on it. And maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. You can see there, it's a bit flimsy. But it's nice and light. Let's see how it stores. Let's see. Can it store with a bit? No, it can't store with a bit attached. So really, the storage case can only take one of these packs, the X1, X2 or X3 pack, like so. So there's these two other ones. They're staying at home while X1 goes on the road with me. Too bad if I need any of these other bits. I guess what you could do is just swap them out for the ones you want, but then the labelling on the side doesn't prove much of a purpose. Yeah, overall pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this goes this way. Can't imagine it goes any other way. I mean, this seems a bit, as well made as it is, seems like a bit of an afterthought. Like it doesn't actually sit in there in any particular way. You can see it's kind of flimsy. But might do the job. Yeah, that's about it. We'll have a look at what the manual says. Lithium precision screwdriver WOWSTICK 1F+. Dual power piano key switch, portable storage box, self-locking ratchet, integrated structure, lithium battery, power supply, LED lighting, global standard universal bits. Includes lots of stuff. Rated speed 200 RPM, 0.15 Newton meters of torque. Really, there's not much else to this piece of paper. Just different languages and after sales support. But that's about it, guys. So what do we got? Got the 3 bit boxes, the stand, the screwdriver, the screw pad, the lid, the magnetizer, demagnetizer, a little jar, a suction cap, another thing to help pull screens off or the cases off your phone, and a pretty poor quality micro SD cable. That's, well, let's show the length. I like short cables like this usually, but now I've got quite a few of them, and don't have any with quality issues like this. Probably works perfectly fine though. I'm just being fussy. Yeah, so that's about it. The WOWSTICK by, who's it by? Xiaomi? Maybe it's just WOWSTICK by WOWSTICK. I think it is a subsidiary of Xiaomi. It's 69 in 1, though, in case you're wondering. 69 bits and tools. Yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. All right, ciao. Bye.